welcome to our tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how to make card flip animation in this different style. So here's it. It's working quite fine and it's really easy to make. So let's begin. Let's remove the whole HTML and the CSS. As you can see, I have the Google Font API already installed, and okay, it's right there. Let me save the HTML. Okay, we're done. So let's begin with some markup. First, we'll be creating a simple div element with class card. Now let's do some styling. First of all, we'll be setting height and width. Height to 300 pixels and width to 200 pixels. It's all up to you, whatever you want. And now we'll be setting perspective. It's really important, as I'm telling you from my past videos. It will tell from how much distance our element will be rendered in the 3D space, and finally the position relative, because we are going to have some absolute items in it, so they won't come out of the container. And we are done. Now we'll be creating two div elements in the card with common class faces, and the first div will have class front and the second one will have back respectively. So now we're done with the front and back divs, as the card have two faces. Now what we'll be doing is adding some content to both of the faces. So first we'll be adding a material icon, Google material icon. Here, that is the code, and then an h3 of TheMindSpeaks, where you are watching this video right now. And in the back we'll be adding a paragraph with text, come and code with us, come and code with us. Remember this. Okay, our HTML markup is completed. Now what all we'll be doing is moving to the styles. As you can see, it's done. Now we'll be writing common style for dot faces. So let's check out the color, what we will be using in this. So let it load. One of the best colors. Okay, it's right there. I've copied it. So first we'll be setting background to the color that what we have selected. It's just tone of red. Height and width to 100%, and the position absolute, as I told you earlier. Then after we'll be setting top and left to 0, so that these will overlap each other. The faces will overlap each other. Then we'll be setting color to the card, because black will not be visible in the background color so of the card faces. Let's reload. Okay, as you can see, it's working decently. You can see the back side of the card is visible right now. What we'll be doing is assigning the back face visibility. This property defines what will happen to the element when it's not facing the screen. Now let's add some styles to dot back, the back side of the card. We'll be transforming it to rotate x 180 degree. As I told you, it will not be facing the screen, so it will stay hidden. Okay, our front side is visible now, and the back is gone because it's not facing the screen right now. Now let's add some styling to the text in the card. So we'll be setting font size to 250 pixels, and we have to set it important because they are just using that thing. we need to set it to really important because another style sheet is also working on the same element. So to make it more, to get high priority, we have to set the important. Now we'll be setting some margin to the icon and text align center. Text align center. Now add some margin to the icon. Margin top 80 pixels. Okay, we are done right now. So now what we'll be going to do is add some animations in it. So let's begin. First we'll be adding transition to make our animation go smooth and not just change like immediately. So card dot hash hover dot front, as we'll be triggering the front first. So transform rotate y 180 degree, as when it will rotate 180 degree it will not be facing the screen at all, so it will automatically get hidden. Now we'll be doing the same thing to the back, but we'll be setting it transform rotate x to 0, as we have already set it to 180 degrees. So transform rotate x 0. Okay, now let's turn it out. It's done. We have created the animation. You can see it's working quite fine. Now you can do the same thing by converting from 0 to minus 180 to 180 to make it rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise. What all you need to do is just change the values from minus 180 to plus 180, or just like these to make it rotate counterclockwise or clockwise. Even you can change the x to y to make it go in a different way. It's really easy. As let me slow it up for you. As you can see, it's really nice. It's really nice animation. Look at it. It's so sleek. I hope you liked my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe me. More videos are coming soon, and from now I'll be publishing videos every Monday and Thursday. Thanks for watching.